What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, still looking really good on this macro timescale. On the daily time frame, we obviously had that huge run up towards the start of the year in May, then obviously the big May crash. As with pretty much every crypto, we got this big descending wedge where we got the nice breakout to the upside. We've come back up, and then since then we've been making, a really nice uptrend of higher highs and higher lows, haven't we, like this? Just heading back towards that all-time high. We actually made a new all-time high very recently. On the, what was this, 28th of December, we come up to 293, 294 for Polygon. So Polygon, really nice amount of demand for it at the minute. Matic has obviously been doing extremely well for the whole of the bull run, but right now back, close to all-time highs. There's a lot of cryptos, by the way, that haven't done, anywhere near as good as Polygon recently. The market sentiment has obviously been bearish with Bitcoin continuing to roll over, but we do think the worst of it is probably over for now, we would say, in our opinion. And you can see Polygon, it really doesn't care that much, does it? It's had a little bit of a rollover here since the 28th of December when it reached that all-time high. We come down into this range here, didn't we? We formed a bit of a head and shoulders formation like we said before. And then since then, we've come down, found a key level of support down at this level here, at the basically in and around that 0.78 Fibonacci retracement at 195. This has obviously been a key level for a while. And you could argue it's in confluence with that $2 level, $2 being a really key level. That's basically, it's a super big support and resistance, isn't it? And we've come down and we found that area there to be a good area of support, which is obviously bullish for Polygon. And you can see today there's been a really nice reversal out of this area to the upside for Polygon. You can see here on the hourly time frame what's been happening. You can see Bitcoin obviously had the rollover here. We come down with, potentially a little head and shoulders here actually, and then a continuation pattern. We come all the way down. We basically bounce on that trend line that we've been trading up on for a good while here. Let me just make this gold actually. So I didn't actually see it until now, but you can see, if we look at our daily time frame quickly, let me just save this. You can see here this trend line that's been holding all the way up to the upside here. Every time we've retested this trend line with the higher highs and higher lows, we're looking really nice, aren't we, for Polygon? It's just trading upwards. Every time it comes into that area of support and that area of demand, we do get that nice bounce to the upside. You can see quite clearly here on the hourly time frame, we've actually double bottom back tested this trend line to the upside, looking really strong. And you can see basically what's happened. We've come down onto this trend line, onto the 0.78 retracement. We've come up, consolidated, had a bit of a burst to the upside, come down and sweat the lows one more time, and then we've come back into this area, broke to the upside, come back into this area of consolidation, a bit of a range here, and you can see here we've actually come up and actually broken out of that 222 level, which we said would be very key. It was a previous swing high. If you look here on the hourly time frame, let's put this on auto. You can see here 222, this previous swing high would be come into confluence in the future. You can see it's here currently, a resistance here, hopefully being broken as resistance to be flipped into support, and then that would essentially be really bullish for Polygon's price, wouldn't it? Because you can see here we've held support nicely, and now we're looking for more upside, coming back up and making another higher high over the next few weeks and just continuing the uptrend, because Polygon really hasn't given a shit, has it, to be honest? On the way up here, you can see very clearly that it's just been making higher highs and higher lows, even though the market's been going down overall. One of the few altcoins that has been performing extremely well in the face of the bearishness, which shows, in our opinion, a huge amount of demand for Polygon itself. And we do think this is probably going to continue if that's the case, especially if the market does start to pump up now. We could be seeing Polygon have a really nice pump, off the back of the whole market having a nice rise. So overall, Polygon, you can see here, it's looking really solid. So really not much to say here apart from the fact that, Polygon's doing really well, looking like it's going to be heading to the upside pretty soon. So we can do some short-term price predictions and keep things short and sweet. If we roll over here, we do have a nice little bit of a bit of structure here in and around between that, we'd say upwards of that $2.05 level up to around $2.15. Anywhere here you could get a decent bounce. Or if we roll further, obviously $2 being a very strong support, especially in confluence with that upwards trend line now. And then beyond that, heading to the upside, we are targeting this range that we lost here at around that 242 level. And then, as we've said numerous times, we do think $5 to $10 for Polygon, by the end of the bull run is, it's looking pretty likely now, isn't it? It's only a 2, 3, 4, 5x from the current price. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.